Hi, I'm Julie from Statewide Appliance Spares. If you discover a pool of water in the bottom of your dishwasher, don't despair. You can try our simple fixes to clear the problem and get your dishwasher working again. A dishwasher that was turned off by a power outage or something unexpected could mean that your cycle is incomplete. Run a complete cycle and check if the drainage issue has been fixed. Filters need to be cleaned and checked regularly to keep your dishwasher working efficiently. To clean the filters, first you will need to locate and remove it from the casing. These are found at the bottom of your dishwasher, below the lower spray arm. Twist the filter to release. Run the filter under warm water to remove any food deposits and residue. For a deep clean, you can use hot soapy water and a soft bristled brush. Before replacing the filter, check the sump pump for any blockages. Screw the filter into place. The drain hose is located underneath the sink between the drain pump and drain line. Firstly, check to see that it is securely connected to the sink or garbage disposal. Next, check for any kinks in the drain hose and straighten them out. Listen to your dishwasher while it's running. If it's making humming or clicking noises, it's a good sign that the drain pump or motor may need replacing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more handy tips.